'Twas out in a moonlit garden, not far from the ballroom grand. A young lad and his sweetheart went strolling hand in hand. Tomorrow the war would call him, he vowed he would be true. And from her dress she gave to him a bunch of violets blue. They were only a bunch of violets, a bunch of violets blue. Fresh and fair and fragrant, like diamonds on the dew. Fresh and fair and dainty, as he pressed them to his heart. He smiled and said where'er he'd go, from them he ne'er would part. A soldier boy lay dying upon the cold, cold ground. A bunch of withered violets upon his breast was found.